to the hip hop, a hippie to the hippie, hip hip a hop. You don't stop the rocker to the bang bang boogie, the up jump the boogie to the boogie to the rhythm, the beat 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 beat. Beep, 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 beep. How you doing? This is your Uncle Sherrod. As you know, this is a a video about something that I think we all need to know about, a step-by-step video of how to really make your Facebook ads really work. We got a lot of stuff to go over, a lot of valuable stuff, a lot of stuff I want you to absorb. So the way that I laid this out, I hope that you guys get it in a very orderly way, that you can, take it step by step, and just, if you have to stop the video for anything, just stop it. Make sure that you absorb the information one by one, and then go to apply the steps. If you do that, you won't go wrong. All right. So again, this is your Uncle Sherrod. I hope you like that. You guys be good. All right. Peace out.